All right, highlight of the day, compare, contrast. We've scrolled back to 8:30 when we open up, and I want people to pay attention to two things, what I had said, because it happens from time to time, and it's pretty clear, especially when things are kind of moving, and there's like some abrupt move in one correlated market, but not in the one you're trading. So here, just pay attention to right there. We rallied quite a bit after the open to the VWAP. How could you predict that this was going to happen and it not seem like randomness? Well, I'll take you over to our friend, the NASDAQ. And I already rewound the NASDAQ to just after 8:30 as well, right when the ES was trading where my cursor is on the left. So now let's go over to the NASDAQ and just pay attention to the lower right of the screen. Market gets hit and gets hit pretty hard. Let me rewind it one bar. Look at the bottom right of the screen here. Down and down 10 handles, 12 handles in the NASDAQ. They step on it again, a couple more handles, down to 46. Like 44 was the low. This is a pretty big break of 20 handles in the NASDAQ. And yet we come back over here to the ES and it didn't even budge lower. Like it had already broke a little bit there, but it didn't budge lower like it should have with a break like this in the NASDAQ. When it doesn't go down, and it should, why should it? Because the NASDAQ just broke 20 points, and there's a relationship between stock indexes. When the market doesn't do what it's supposed to do, there is a clue there, and it has to be a scratch your head moment. And if you're bullish for another reason, that's your when. We talk about the when is more important than the where. The why is more important than the how. Don't tell me how to trade. Tell me why to trade. Don't tell me where the market's going. Tell me when. When is better than where. Where is great. That's important. You could build a bias a bit about around it. Always when. When. Make sure you have a safe rest of the day. And also, I have to put the link in there on YouTube. There's a 3-part webinar series we're doing tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'll put it in the description below.